The government of Maharashtra, Kolhapur district administration are offering their salutations to the great Lok Raja Rajarshi Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj on his death centenary by arranging various events from 18th April 2022 to 22nd May 2022 as Lok Raja Rajarshi Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Krutanyata Parv. Under this Lok Raja Krutanyata Parv, Collector Office Kolhapur in collaboration District Industry Center, Maharashtra State Innovation Society, Skill Development Corporation and Shivaji University Kolhapur have organized Lok Raja Innovation Competition and Exhibition 2022 and Lok Raja Startup and Investor Summit 2022 respectively. These events organized in two parts, Lok Raja Innovation Competition and Exhibition 2022 and Lok Raja Startup and Investor Summit 2022. This event will offer a platform to students, innovators, startups, research scholars, faculty members, and enthusiastic industrious citizens to demonstrate their creative, innovative, feasible, and economically viable solutions to the existing problems in a variety of domains or fields as listed in the form below. The identified issue can be related to the product or process of the concerned areas. Participants are expected to identify problems in a day-to-day life in the concerned sectors and are invited to propose their innovative solutions. Shortlisted candidates will be invited for presentation before judges. Shortlisted innovators will be exhibit their product or service during the exhibition arranged between 2nd to 4th May 2022 and will be rewarded. Selected innovators will also be given entry to pitch before an array of investors during the Lok Raja Startup and Investor Summit in the next phase. Under this activity, we invite startups and innovators ready to pitch and prepared with products or services or who have already engaged in a product manufacturing or deployed services in the market to demonstrate their innovations or products or services before investors for possible financial investment and or other business support. Participants are required to register by filling in all the details for participating in the Startup and Investor Summit. After that, registered startups or innovators will be scrutinized. Shortlisted candidates will be invited for the Phase 1 presentation. After that, final selected startups will be offered the grooming sessions as per the requirement. And the final pitching before investors will be on 3rd May 2022. If you are visiting this channel first time, then don't forget to press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon.